Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring how to track your personal development goals in Notion. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's dive right in. Our first step is to create a new page in Notion for your personal development goals. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for everything we will be doing. So go to the sidebar, click on the plus sign, and select Page. Give it a meaningful title, something like My 2025 Personal Development Goals. Now, inside this new page, we are going to set up a table. Go to the body of the page, click on the plus sign, and choose Table Full Page. The reason we do this is because tables in Notion allow you to create a structured and organized system for tracking your goals. Next up, we will customize our table. Let's add some columns that are specific to your personal development goals. Some examples could be Goal, Start Date, End Date, Progress, and Notes. This helps us because it gives us a clear overview of what we're working towards, when we're starting, when we hope to finish, and any important details we need to remember. Now that we've done that, we're going to start adding in our goals. Click on the plus sign in the Goal column and type out your first goal. Repeat this process for each goal you have. Remember to fill out all the details for each goal in the corresponding columns. This matters because it gives us a roadmap of what we want to achieve and by when. The final step is to review and update your goals regularly. Notion is a powerful tool because it gives you the ability to check in on your goals and track your progress easily. So make it a habit to visit this page often, update your progress, and make any necessary changes. This way, you're always on top of your personal development journey. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to track your personal development goals in Notion. This system is flexible and can be tailored to suit your unique needs. So go ahead and give it a shot. Track your journey, make progress, and watch yourself grow throughout 2025. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful. Remember, personal development is a journey, not a destination. So take it one step at a time and enjoy the process.